Hi everyone, we are InlineX Global Private Limited, popularly known as Inline Tech. We are here to give you an exceptional training experience. What do we offer? We offer internships in several domains, such as AI, machine learning, offensive cybersecurity, ethical hacking, data science, data analyst, business analyst, full stack development, web development, and front end developer. Let me tell you that we are ISO certified. For the ones who don't know, being ISO certified demonstrates a company's commitment to quality, consistency, and customer satisfaction. We are also registered in Startup India. Talking about our company's location, we are located in Bengaluru, Shivaji Nagar. What actually is the importance of internship in an individual's life? An internship helps them learn new skills, explore a whole new world, gain experience, build confidence, and build a strong resume. Let me share a short story with you. There were three friends, same courses, same universities, and almost sharing the same grades. But when placement season came around, only one of them got placed. Surprised, right? Here's why. While all three had knowledge, only one of them had real world skills. That's how that one friend who took up an internship gained hands-on experience, worked on real-life projects, and learned how to apply concepts. They didn't just learn, they practiced. They didn't just study, they built. And most importantly, they made their resume stand out and secured selection in top companies. In today's world, the success mantra is skills plus experience, which gives you opportunities. Talking about types of internship, there are basically two types of internships. One is corporate internship, which gives you a stipend, and the other one is paid and virtual internships. The corporate internship is structured internship with corporate tasks, fixed schedules, and paid stipends. Whereas the mentor training internship is for gaining real-world experience. You have mentor-led internships with live sessions and experts to guide you throughout the projects. These kind of internships also add certificates which make your resume worthy exposure and helps your resume stands out. Let me tell you, for every individual, there are various internships. Mentor training internship is for beginners, freshers, students, and recent graduates. People who want to have more exposure and hands-on experience in real-life projects. Whereas the corporate internship is for industry professionals who have already had a lot of experience and wants to collaborate with their advanced skill and contribute to the company they work in. This is what the roadmap of our internship journey looks like. The very first step is registration form. You have to register yourself at Inline Tech and you get your access portal within 5 minutes of your registration. The second step is an interview call. This interview call is scheduled one day after your registration. This interview is only a 10 to 15 minutes interview. After this, once you get selected, in this interview, you are given the offer letter with batch group link. Moving on, you select your project by your own or select the project given in the portal and submit your work. Once your work and project is submitted, you receive the experience letter. Have a look. These are some of our successful placed interns. The very first intern is Aisha Tase, a cybersecurity engineer in Vinca Cybertech Private Limited. You can have a screenshot of this slide and search these interns on LinkedIn and their experience. Moving on, talking about the perks and benefits this internship gives you. The top 10 intern reward. This intern reward is given to the top 10 employees which serve their hard work in the projects. The stipend is of 15K with a welcome kit. We give you the offer letter. Industry-based project is what you have to work on. After completion of your internship, we give you the experience letter with the QR code. The QR code is present for certificate verification. Let me tell you, the internship portal access is given to you within 5 minutes of your registration. This internship is completely virtual. You can work from home with flexible schedule. Talking about the top performer rewards. The price is of 15K with a welcome kit, and the eligibility criteria is to submit the best projects, complete all learning modules, score well in quizzes, pass the skill assessment interview, and stand a chance to be among the top 10 interns, win prizes and a welcome kit. Let me also briefly describe the selection process. Every month, interns in their final month will receive a Google form to apply for the Intern of Month program. Interns must submit a project, take a skill assessment test, and based on the performance, shortlisted candidates will undergo a final interview for selection. Interns can apply once in their final month. Results are announced monthly, and the top 10 interns receive recognition, rewards, and exciting perks from Inline Tech. This is what our welcome kit looks like. Moving on, this is the offer letter which you receive, and this letter confirms your selection for the internship and also serves as an official document for your onboarding. This is what the experience letter look like, and you'll receive this letter once you complete all the real-world projects. The experience letter will act as a proof of practical work, helping you in job applications and interviews. These documents add credibility to your profile and boost your professional value. Now let me explain you the process of joining in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Registration form. As soon as you register through the form, you are received with a portal access. Second step is an interview call. After the registration, you will have your scheduled interview for the next day. Once you are selected in the interview, you receive the offer letter with batch group link. On completing the learning modules, you select your project, work on it, and submit the final work. After submitting the work, the experience letter is given to you. This is what your portal looks like. Okay, so now let me tell you how will you access your internship portal after you have successfully done your registration. So now let me tell you what your internship portal will look like and how will you access it after your successful registration. You will receive an email of this, which states that you are almost there and just need to finish your registration by clicking below. Let me show you how you will proceed. Click on complete your sign up option. Once you click on it, you will get an option to create an account. Write your name here. Secondly, enter your email ID and your password. After this, you just need to click on I accept the terms of services and sign me up. Once you do this, you will come to the page where you will get your preferred domain. This is just a demo session. Therefore, I'm showing you the data analyst internship. And once you click on this, you will receive all the details, all the sessions and all the modules. There will be mandatory videos which you have to see, your project submission details, etc. For any queries, you can also go on our WhatsApp support, or there is a chat box present here which you can just simply click and ask queries from your mentors. We also have our LinkedIn page. You can visit our LinkedIn page. So let me tell you that this internship is completely work from home. You don't have to relocate in concern for this internship. Secondly, this internship is completely on your will. If you want to complete the learning models and the sequence depends on you, it is completely self-paced internship. Okay, so now let me tell you how will you fill the registration form. Firstly, you have to enter your name, your email ID, your phone number, and then you have to select the particular domain in which you want to do the internship. Once you have selected your domain, next you have to choose the internship period you want to select for yourself. As you can see, there are mentioned the amount of fees that you have to pay according to the months. Secondly, this is the final fee based on the month's duration with no extra charges you have to pay after this. You have to also fill the state to which you belong and your address. Then after clicking on Pay 99, you will receive a QR code. Once you pay to this QR code, you will receive an invoice email in your email box section. Now, once your payment is confirmed, let me show you the email which you will receive after successful payment. This is the kind of email you will receive after your successful registration. And once you have done your registration, you are eligible for the further interview process. And the remaining fees is what you have to pay once you qualify the interview. And you will also receive a PDF receipt like this with your GST number, which states Inline X Global Private Limited on the top. This is what the registration form looks like. I will share the registration form link in the description. So if you want to fill this, you can just go to the description box and click on the link. Now let's talk about the fee structure. Before the interview, you only have to pay rupees 99. And once you qualify the interview, the rest of the fees is paid after that. Unfortunately, if you are not selected in the interview, the entire fee of 99 rupees will be refunded to you. But if you are selected and want to proceed with us, you have the following plans. 1 month plan, which you have to pay 500. For the 2 months plan, you have to pay rupees 800, for which we have a 20% special discount. For 3 months, you have to pay 900. We have a discount of 40%. 5 months, 1200. A huge discount of 50%. And similarly, for 6 months, rupees 1500 at a discount of 50%. Let me tell you, this internship is from 1 to 6 months. You can choose it as per your preference. And before starting the internship, you will be awarded with the offer letter. And on successful completion of your internship, you will be given the experience letter. We are here to support you at every step of this internship. So if you have any queries or feel stuck while making a project, you can contact us through the number displayed on the screen as well as the Gmail present on the screen.